All right, everyone, welcome to Japan. Like, we've already had a crazy experience getting here. Not crazy bad, just, you know, in general crazy, having to live 2 days at once and all that stuff. You know how it goes. So you get to, you know, use our yen, go to crazy McDonald's with all the crazy menu items, use their smart toilets that plugs into the wall, and it all leads up to here, Tokyo Disney Sea, possibly the most beautiful Disney park that ever existed. So I'm really curious to see how this is. And yeah, this is day one of the Japan trip, so I hope you follow along and enjoy. For Paris?
Yeah, no,
Raging Spirit is my first ever ride in Japan, let alone coaster. Weird Pinfari Intamin, not very exciting, but super smooth. So that's good.
And while I'm there, I'll probably head up.
All right, so we were almost done with our day at Disney Sea. We went on pretty much all the, like, they only have one coaster here that's open. So we were just gonna experience all the flat rides, all the dark rides. We got, you know, Journey to the Center of the Earth is our big attraction. That was good, not great. Indiana Jones Tower of Terror with the cursed idol instead of the, you know, Twilight Zone or Guardians of the Galaxy. So that was different. Indiana Jones, slightly different than California. And now, as we're winding down, we're gonna head into the brand new area, Fantasy Springs. They just opened this, I think, last year. So let's go check that out.
Yeah, I think I have to pay no. It's like a car.
Doesn't sound like it. Alright, so it gets dark here super early. Like at 7:30, it's like dark in Tokyo. So we're leaving Fantasy Springs. We got to do the Rapunzel ride. That was pretty short, but you know, it was pretty well done. And the Peter Pan ride, which was kind of a surprise. It was like a 3D motion simulator, like Spider-Man. So that was pretty cool. So only about an hour left in the park. Gonna go check out the Lagoon show. Day two, we are not getting stuck in that security line again. By the way, this is our hotel at the Disney Hilton. It's got bunk beds, and that's kind of cool. They also have this weird key thing. You put this key in there, turn, and that happens, and that activates the surveillance device, I guess. So after missing Big Thunder Mountain in Florida, we were able to hit the one here in Tokyo. So that, I don't know if I mentioned it, that is my 697th coaster. So just 3 away from the big milestone. Still don't know what it's going to be yet, so we'll find out. Aside from that, this park has a lot of things that Disneyland and Magic Kingdom have, so I'm not sure what we're going to prioritize here. But it'll be interesting to see what they have that's different. I know that Splash Mountain still has the old theming.
You'll be whistling Symphony Doodah out of your
Pirates still has some old elements that they've removed in other parks. And there's just some other stuff like this that you don't see at the other Disneyland, Magic Kingdom parks. So it'll be an interesting day.
姿を見て彼らは喜びの笑みを浮かべ
Alright, just got to check out Beauty and the Beast trackless dark ride. It was impressive, but does it match up to Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway? No way, not even close. But still, you're in Tokyo. That's a definitely must do.
I enjoyed that. 25 minutes.
Right, who's Honey Hunt? The first ever trackless dark ride. That opened, I could not believe it, it opened 25 years ago. And you can definitely tell, not as advanced as like Mickey and Minnie's or even Beauty and the Beast or anything like that, but pretty cool rides. Yeah, that's another one you don't want to miss or pass up. A lot of these rides are very similar or basically the same as other Disney parks, but like that one is definitely different, so check that one out.
はい、では皆さん改めましてこんにちは。ようこそ、私森田丸の天下鈴木です。ありがとうね。彼らがですね、仲間に水をかけるという優しい習慣がありますから。
Okay, I don't ride water rides too often, but I gotta ride the old Splash Mountain because everyone's making me. So this might be my last vlog entry. I don't think I'm gonna make it.
It's a big baby.
I don't like getting wet. I'll melt.
Like sitting by the exit for a while. Like,
All right, I did it. I rode Races Splash Mountain, and aside from getting, a water bomb in the face, all in all, it wasn't that bad. Very long ride. It had like 4 drops. The last one obviously is the one that'll get you. But yeah, last original Space Mountain here in Tokyo. So one thing we are missing out on this trip, which is very unfortunate, is Space Mountain. If you can see behind me, it is under construction. Cranes, the whole shell is taken off. I don't know what they're doing to it exactly, but it is pretty significant, and it is, it's completely torn apart. It's going to open, I think, in 2027, so we didn't exactly just miss it. It's been down for a while, so no credit for me today, but hopefully it's cool when it reopens, I guess. Day 3, and we're taking a little break from Disney to visit the world's largest electronics store. It is called that, and it is 7 stories tall. So whatever you think you could possibly ever want, it's got to be in there. Alright, so here we are at Tokyo Joypolis. This is Gekion Live Coaster. We were on it, we got through the first 2 screens, and then we got E-stopped. We got evac, had to climb down a ladder to get off the ride, and now we're just waiting for it to reopen, because it's kind of my one shot to ride it. Number 699 right here, if I get on it. I'm not counting the 2 seconds I was on before, that doesn't count. Nick, what the hell is going on here? We have stories, man. We got stories to tell.
We do.
Yeah, so evac'd off Gekion Live.
Who else can say they've been evac off Gekion Live?
Reopens, we're next in line, it breaks down again. Then they're like, oh, it's gonna be a long time until it's open. They keep sending test cycles. So we're gonna try again. Because we're freaking crazy.
We already reloaded our tickets with enough credits to get on it, just in case it opens.
$6, and if it doesn't, we just wasted $6. But that's how much we have faith in the Tokyo Joypolis Gerstlauer operations. Oh, there it goes. Good sign. You did it. Third time's a charm. That was a good ride.
It was.
And it was a good memory. Yeah, third time. We were not debating whether to just leave or not. We decided to stick it out because they were testing it. Paid off. $6.99 and maybe $6.99 and a quarter.
And a quarter.
And a quarter. Getting closer and closer to 700. Ooh, Flounders something Togo Kitty coaster at Disney Sea is gonna be my 700th coaster.
Just own it, man. Just own it.
I'm just gonna own it. It is what it is. I could, but I'm not going.
I hit it.
All right, this is Flounders Flying Fish Coaster or something. And I thought it might be my 700th credit, but right before I got on, I made the decision. Stardust Racers is 1 credit, so this is not 700, $6.99. So, sorry Togo, you lose this time. Good Togo though. Didn't hurt as much as normal Togos do.
Many hours later.
All right, Nick, what'd you think about Frozen?
Good.
That was impressive.
It was.
Now, Andrew said that was better than Rise.
He's crazy.
I don't think so.
Nope.
Don't think so.
Nope.
But I think that was definitely the best ride in either Disneyland or Disney Sea.
It's up there. It's up there.
Yeah. I think, as I said, Disney Sea did not have that one standout ride. I think that is the standout ride at this park.
Yeah.
For now. It was like some of the effects that they would do in there were pretty impressive. Wait, how did they do that type of thing? So, yeah, if you come to Disney Sea, make sure you go all the way to the back of Fantasy Springs and hit up the Frozen ride.